at the end, and I'm not shocked at all. For whatever reason, they seem to think because my team lost the previous challenge that I'm now tainted meat or something like that.
It's going to be Barry.
Thanks, sweetie.
I am stuck with Miranda. I don't like to be around her. We are definitely going to go head-to-head. She's proven to everyone that she's not a team player.
I don't underestimate little sweet Justine. And I think the sweet and innocent thing is just an act.
As the cooks move on to their fries, things are starting to break down on the green team.
We have to be really, really fast.
I'm trying.
Do you want me to do it? Communicate.
I can do it.
Justine and Miranda don't get along. This is not working. Okay, come on, go, 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 go. Justine, get started on the burgers and Miranda on the fries. I have to just give them very specific tasks and not have them interact.
Did someone lower the oil heat yet to 275?
No, I didn't. You're in charge of the fries, okay?
Yeah, I just don't know how
Perfect. I just want to make sure, because that way we won't step on each other's toe.
This is my nightmare. I don't have time right now to be frustrated. I just have to be the silent warrior in the background to help us win a burger challenge.
How are you all doing here?
Very well,
Doing well, chef.
What's on your burgers? They look very,
Very simple. I want the meat to be the meat.
Let me get this straight. So there's no seasoning in here right now, nothing?
There's nothing, chef.
No salt?
No salt, chef.
Tell me about your toppings, because your toppings are gonna need to be absolutely killer in order for this to work.
We're doing a Southern-style pimento cheese, chef. What we've got is butter, sour cream, mayonnaise, chopped cheese, chopped fire roasted peppers. Do you like it?
I don't like it.
I love it.
I love it.
Wow. Why you gotta scare me like that, chef?
That's awesome. That's awesome. All right.
Thank you for stopping by, chef.
Stay focused.
Attaboy, Aaron.
I have 2 big trays full blanched already.
Okay, perfect, Miranda. Keep going.
May, how are things going?
Things are going good. I think my team is doing excellent. Everyone is pulling their weight.
Miranda, you're doing the fries.
It's what I was assigned to do, so I'll do whatever I'm told.
How are you gonna season this?
We're putting some blue cheese, some bacon fat. They're gonna be nice and ooey and gooey, so I'm confident they'll love our dish.
You were picked last.
I was picked last, yep.
Now you become the underdog. Is that where you want to be?
I don't think I am the underdog. The art of war is when you're strong appear weak, so it'll work for me.
Deadly warrior. I like the confidence. I'm gonna let you get back to work.
Thank you, Chef Alvin.
Hello, Chef Claudia.
What is happening here?
We're just starting, and we have a lot of fat in these burgers because we're doing pork in them, so we want to give them a nice sear and then finish on the grill.
What is this right here?
We have the cheddar cheese in the burger.
Let's take a little look here.
Yes. That's not the color that we're looking for.
You know why that's happening, right? Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese will burn. Did you already mix your cheese with all your burger meat?
Yes, yes, yes.
So you're at the point of no return.
We can't afford to have any burgers burn, or we're going to be looking at a problem.
Watch out, make sure they're not overdone, please.
We're gonna get the assembly line going. We got enough prep. Let's go, guys.
I want to start assembling, okay?
Yeah, just let me get these done, and then I'll come help.
You know, this is about sales. That's what's going to count in the end in winning. The more burgers you can pump out in that 1 hour, the greater chance of driving your sales to the top.
I'll just pass you the burgers when they're done.
By the time service begins, we want a lot of plates built. We don't want them to wait.
We're gonna roll restaurant style and put quality before quantity. I don't want to pile up 30, 40 burgers. I want every customer to get a hot burger made to order.
Aaron and the red team, they're way behind time.
They don't know what's coming.
The worst thing that can happen is all 3 of us go and flip patties. I don't want to flip patties today.
The bikers will now choose between the red team's chuck and short rib burger with pimento cheese and garlic butter fries.
All right, thank you so much.
The blue team's bacon and cheddar burger with Cajun spiced fries.
Enjoy, guys.
And the green team's beef and pork burger with bacon onion jam and blue cheese fries.
We're representing the ladies today, so come get your burgers.
Guys, I need more people up here.
All of a sudden, we've got this lineup 100 people deep.
Get that line going. I'm going.
I'm freaking out. We gotta get these burgers out.
Where's the tongs, Kate? Come on.
It's really, really difficult.
Okay, we need to get more efficient with this.
You do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do.
There's a huge lineup at our station, but we're cranking out burgers and we're doing it pretty quickly.
Here you go. Thank you. Good luck, girl. Thank you.
The red team also has a long line, but it's barely moving.
We're a little behind on the burgers, guys.
Trevor, how are we doing on burgers back there?
Yeah, they're still cooking like 3 minutes out.
Thank you for being so patient, guys.
Service is snowballing into chaos.
Okay, we should have gotten these burgers way ahead of time.
Yeah. Hungry people waiting. No good.
If you don't want to wait in line, you can come over here.
I was waiting in the red line for a really long time and it just wasn't moving.
We're gonna lose customers if we don't hustle.
How are you guys doing?
Great.
What do you think of the green team burger?
Green team burger is awesome. I'd go back for another one.
Thanks for coming to Burger Babe. Would you like two? Yeah. Okay, I'll get it for you right now.
I loved the caramelized onions going on there. I like the blue cheese fries. I really liked it.
How was the burger from the green team?
It was very bland. Very bland, yes. I didn't enjoy the taste.
I see you're eating a burger from the blue team. How's the taste?
It's fantastic. What really stands out is the flavor of the burger and the caramelized onions.
What kind of bike you ride?
61000.
Great bike.
So what did you like about the blue burger?
They cleaned my sinuses right out.
So spicy, right?
I had a little bit of spice, yeah.
I chose the blue team. The burger had spice in it, and the fries also had spice on them, and I felt like I kind of got double spiced.
I chose the red team. The bacon was good in it. The pimento cheese I liked.
The sauce rocked. It was really, really tasty. Good flavor.
Thank you so much.
I chose the red team. It was worth the wait. I think their burger is amazing.
How are you enjoying the burger?
It's looking a little pink
That
inside.
is totally unacceptable. Which team was that from?
That was team red.
The red team. Let me take that back. I'll have it replaced right away. Aaron, we have an issue here, buddy. Look,
Chef.
that is too underdone.
Yes, chef.
That is totally unacceptable.
Yes,
I
chef.
need a replacement right away, now.
Not everybody likes their burger medium rare.
Another red burger.
They're coming back.
That's insane.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Sorry about that. I need one on the fly right now.
I'm starting to think that I've misjudged the challenge.
Bikers are getting angry. Each minute that passes where we're not serving burgers, we're just getting further and further away from winning.
Pearls, more buns.
Now that the crowd has started to dwindle, it's time for the teams to turn up the charm.
Blue cheese, babes, bacon. We got all the bees over here. Our burgers are by far the best.
Miranda is really working the crowd. I really think Miranda redeemed herself. She showed us that she was a team player.
Representing the ladies.
You're back. I love you. I love you. Towards the end of the service, we have happy repeat customers.
She's back for her second and third.
Second and third? Hell yeah. We feel amazing.
Alicia, we're crushing this.
I know.
All right, guys, it's the final push.
I am just trying to keep everyone in my lineup entertained.
I can do it, Dad.
Taya is saving our asses.
Go Team Red! But anyone want some more burgers?
Blue team, green team, red team. Service is over.
Winning the day by just 8 orders.
Oh my God.
What?
I'm just praying that we pull through for a win.
I'm so proud of my team. We sold so much, I think we secured a win.
It feels so amazing to win. I can lead a winning team.